Hey guys, welcome to Tech My Life. In today's video, I'm going to show you a short tutorial on how to remove friends on Facebook. It's pretty simple, so let's jump right in. First, open Facebook on your mobile device. Tap on the search icon at the top of your screen. Type in the name of the user that you want to unfriend. Tap on their profile. Tap on the Friends button. Select Unfriend. Tap on Confirm if you want to remove them from your friend list. And that's it. This is how you remove friends on Facebook. Thank you for watching Tech My Life. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then please hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. And if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss our upcoming videos.